Hey everyone, having trouble with your Metro data? Don't worry, let's get you back online. First, the quick and easy checks. Make sure you have signal bars and a valid data plan. Then toggle airplane mode on and off. This often resets the connection. Next, restart your phone. Seriously, it fixes a lot. After restart, try resetting your network settings. Find this in your phone's settings under General or Connections. Also, ensure your Metro APN settings are correct. It should be fast.metropcs.com. Incorrect APN settings are a very common cause of data problems. If these basic steps don't work, let's dive into more advanced solutions. Remember these quick fixes for common Metro data issues. First, let's check your phone's band compatibility. Metro's network uses specific LTE bands like 2, 4, 12, 66, and 71, plus 5G bands N41 and N71. If your device doesn't support these, you might experience connection issues. Next, make sure your software is up to date. Android 15 and iOS 18 both include improved 5G support, which can fix many data issues on Metro's network. Think about network congestion. During peak hours, when lots of people are using data, Metro's network can get crowded, leading to slower speeds. Try using data during off-peak times for better performance. If 5G is having issues but LTE works fine, consider switching to LTE only. LTE provides a more reliable connection in some areas, while 5G can be faster but sometimes less stable. Metro's My Metro app includes AI-driven diagnostics to help fix issues in real time. Open the app to check for problems and get automatic solutions. If issues persist, contact Metro support. They can check for outages in your area or problems with your account that might be causing data issues. Finally, if you're having issues with LTE to 5G handoffs, this is often an area-specific problem that Metro is actively working to fix through network improvements. Key takeaways: check your device's band compatibility, keep your software updated, avoid using data during peak hours, switch to LTE if 5G has issues, use the My Metro app's AI diagnostics, and contact support for ongoing problems.